Falling, love me long and rolling, losing control, body and soul. Mental for sure, I'm already yours. Broke you down, I'm all in. Hold you tight, you're calling. I'll take control, your body and soul. Mental for sure, I'm already.
Eating pho at the hotel breakfast. Yum, yum, yum. Nice.
Alrighty, folks. We are at apparently the Halong Bay people rest stop, where everybody gets mangoes and drinks, and also has a chance to buy some souvenirs at like a big shop. Stop that.
What am I doing?
A little titty dancing out there.
Chick brings the boys to the dam rail. Give me some mango.
Anyway, we're about an hour and 30 minutes away from Halong Bay. It was pouring rain when we were going on the highway, but now it's stopped. It's nice. It's a little cloudy, but that's okay.
Do you like my lashes?
Ha. Alright. What up, everybody?
I'm learning some Vietnamese.
Learning Vietnamese in one ear, and also on the other ear, because everybody here speaks Vietnamese.
No, Roy.
Anyway, we just made it to the Genesis Regal Cruise docking station. Now we are here in the waiting lounge, where everybody is waiting to go onto the cruise, and we are going to be boarding in
Like half an hour or so?
just a little bit over half an hour to get on the cruise. And that is the update so far.
We'll update you when you get on. We already packed the...
Alright, we're having our set menu lunch here. What do we have on the table?
And fresh spring rolls with shrimp.
How do you say it in Vietnamese? It's on the menu.
Alright, folks, we are all yes. Heading 109. We're almost there.
Right there.
Oh, don't you? Looking for the bag. I don't see the bag. Oh yeah, it is right there too. Yes, we were good.
Alright, folks, we are heading to 109, which is right there. I see our luggage. Here it is. And now I have to pull out the key to open the door. So BRB.
All right, moment of truth. Da, 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 da. 109. Một trăm chim. Một trăm chim. All right, get the tour. Just do the tour. I'll bring stuff.
All right.
Jump.
Come on in, folks.
Take the camera.
Oh, sorry. All right, we are back. Amir's gonna get the stuff.
Yeah. In the meantime.
Whoa!
Oh, nice AC.
What is this lovely room with a balcony and a tub? Oh, I'm totally taking a bath tonight. Whoa! I tripped. And a shower and a bathroom. Wow, this is nice. This is nice. I just gotta be careful when you're walking to the bathroom, though. That ledge is dangerous.
Well. Oh, big bathroom. Whoa. Wow. Oh, hey!
Send the fishing net out to the boat. You see that long fishing net they have there?
Yeah.
So they put the fishing net out,
Yeah.
put the money in, give it, and then they give you they give you the bottle, and they put the money in, and then give it to you.
Wow.
That's how they do that.
Amazing.
It's not alcohol. This is how they do it. If you say you want the alcohol, then they'll like bring a fishing net up, and then they'll give you the alcohol. They ask if you want it.
Wow. Beautiful Halong Bay. Bay, is it UNESCO?
UNESCO.
Massage rooms, huh? That's where they get the massage done.
It's like significantly cheaper than on the boat.
Oh, it is?
It's like going to the market again.
Oh, wow. How do you know?
Want a bottle in hand, and that's why she's holding it up like that.
How do you know?
Huh? I saw it on Instagram. They
Oh.
always come up. Up to you. Good.
Nambia high jump.
Wow. Alright, we are going to the boat. On a boat. So we're going on a boat to get to the boat. And everybody is wearing their life vests, stuff like that. I'm not sure. I don't want to put it on.
Okay, this way we have water here.
I wonder if we're going over there. It was fun.
Now, cruise we have.
He does it every time.
Wow. I'm not in there. Yeah, she can.
My whole mouth and my eyes. My eyes are I drifted away. I take it back. But yeah.
Beautiful views.
Leafy gods.
UNESCO. And there's another boat. And then there is Samantha trying to get Wi-Fi from the Wi-Fi gods. Alright. Getting Wi-Fi from the Wi-Fi gods.
It's almost done. It's like
You gotta pray harder. Pray to Jesus, pray to Allah, pray to Buddha, pray to whoever that can give us Wi-Fi. We don't discriminate. All for the gram. This is a transaction happening from a local vendor that's on a boat, selling all the stuff over there. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can zoom in. Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah. So that sale is happening right now. She's selling beers, wine, water, chips. So she just gets that little long net, gives them the whatever, and then they collect back the money. Wow. We made a sale too, by the way. Oh, I think a sale's happening. We made a sale. Look at that. Oh my gosh, she went down 3 stories. I mean, she went up 3 stories and he gave the money. Oh, joy. Wow. What a businesswoman. Now she's saying goodbye.
I heard him say someone.
All right. Why is the camera so close? Alright, don't disappoint. It's okay. Oh, I should better view.
Your first one, right?
This is my first one.
I completely butchered that. I am not a true Vietnamese.
Focus.
I'm so focused. The little crab is like distracting me.
Đây bây giờ phải 3 ông 3 gậy hết vào với nhau rồi. Đấy.
All good, all good. We were here. Oh my. Oh no, that was kind of far. Yeah, that was not good. It was kind of whatever. Hey, go slow with it. Don't. We caught a baby crab.
Yeah, that's 20,000 Vietnam đồng, 1 kilogram. 1 hour.
What is it even attached to? Like, what the heck?
See, he took the green one and it's over. He got it right away.
Guys, take a photo and I can put inside.
We're being so crazy right now. Here, get the flashlight, man.
Get the flashlight.
Do I? How do I? Oh, are you videoing? Okay.
I'm video, but I didn't have the light on.
Wait, here,
So I can't see
I'll
it.
get the light.
You get the light.
Wait.
Or,
How do I
you know, I
navigate
could do
the
both. Let me just.
my
Oh,
God.
okay.
Here we go.
Oh shit.
Alright, there you go. You can pet him. He likes head scratches.
Oh, it's good squid. Oh, it's a
Oh
good
my
squid.
freaking
Oh,
God.
is he?
Little squid belly rub.
Oh.
Where's his ink?
It's all over here.
Should we do the washing him thing?
No, we don't have shit. I want to hold him.
Participate.
Yeah, let's go wash him. It's right there.
Alright, let's get the sink.
It's right there.
guys don't fuck up my squid. Alright, you ready? We gotta wash him.
Hurry up. You gotta turn the pot back on.
Point him away.
Watch out for your heads.
Sorry. We can do this on the other side.
Yeah, there's another side here.
Alright, there you got it. Now give it to the expert. Yeah, literally.
So what do you do? You
You have to squeeze out all the ink.
Oh, yes. Towards the head. Wow.
Wow. Time to boil another one.
Yes.
It's good. The crab is fighting.
Kẹn tích. Nghèo.
Oh, as fresh as it gets.
I'm numb to it now.
Just for the devoted people.
Didn't see this on the itinerary.
How do I eat this?
Ủa, sao biết.
Oh, you're shot.
Này là ăn miếng ngon này, con này béo này.
I know.
My mom's gonna be so surprised at eating this stuff.
It's better than dinner. Oh, I never liked milk as much as I did today.
Wow, so many egg. Này.
Oh, wow.
Oh wow.
Rabbit.
Wow.
Không ăn đi.
That looks kind of like the.
No, không ăn. Tôi
Yeah,
không.
it is, huh?
Quá. Ở đâu? Rang lên này.
Trời ơi.
We want to speak. I want to
That is so cool.
Ngon ăn với sữa. Đấy là trứng ngon đấy. This is small.
This is so impressive.
False alarm.
Oh, watch out. I think it's a leaf.
Ở đây mấy cái dây. Luôn ạt mẹ luôn.
It's steaming over there.
What's the science?
Yeah, what's the
Maybe the other
science?
light's too bright.
Mr. Science.
They like green. They liked green before.
So green goes with red because Christmas.
It makes sense.